Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my Grace room. I am an ambassador for the Grace Frame Company home-based quilter division. This is a new division that Grace has created specifically, well, for me. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating just a little bit. Not just for me, and really, more importantly, for you. This division is going to feature products that are specifically made for the quilter who quilts out of his or her home. There are all kinds of products for professional quilters, but when you think about it, the majority of the people I know are just home-based quilters. So I want to share with you some products that Grace has sent me. I'm going to unbox them today, and then I will get them set up. I'll share that with you as well. And then I'm going to share with you how I use them. Now, this room is going to be dedicated to my Grace frame and machine. Right now I have this big glare right here. Please ignore that for right now. I can't figure out where it's coming from. I think it's my halo. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's my halo. All right, let's get down to the unboxing. This is something I can't wait to unbox. I think I'm gonna have to get on the floor. Okay, let's see. And kudos to my husband Todd, who has been diligently working to get this room transformed. He even vacuumed. Hopefully there will be no injuries, no box cutting injuries during the filming of this unboxing. This is the Qnique 15 9-piece foot attachment set, which will also work with the 16. Show you this set. How nice is that? So I've got a ruler foot. It almost looks like it's a jewel. That's cool. And then multiple other feet, which I will have to learn about. And then a 3-piece hopping foot set with an open toe foot, a ruler foot, and a micro stippling foot. These are packaged beautifully. They are in a really heavy, dense foam. Look at that, so pretty. You need one of those giant knives like some of the people that do unboxing have. A ruler base, a leveler. It is a nice weight, very nice. This one, the shipping company was pretty hard on. And I started tearing it, and then I remembered, wait a minute, I can't open this before I do my unboxing. So I stopped. I didn't look, I swear. The red. And it's variegated. I love it. This is the True Cut rotary cutting system. So you've got a ruler, no slip grips, and a rotary cutter. And I believe I have seen this rotary cutter, and it's ergonomic in its shape, and it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. I happen to be left-handed. However, I actually cut with my right hand, although with a rotary cutter, I can use either hand. So this is really nice because I have one of those ergonomic cutters for my left hand, but because I'm a little ambidextrous, I can only use it in my left hand. So this I can use in either hand. Are you ready? Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. I'm gonna make us work for this. I don't know if it's in here or not. Oh my goodness. All kinds of stuff. So I guess these are my tools to put it together. Look at those Allen wrenches. I mean, wow. This is like something you can use over and over and over again. Very nice. And a cute little screwdriver. Okay, wow, a nice, big, thick instruction manual. So pretty. All right, so here's the thread stand, a sample thread set, and a beautiful machine. So pretty. Oh, the ruler foot's already on it. Love that color. And some handlebars. Very, very exciting. Oh, wow. Look at this. Here I have some thread and pre-wound bobbins. I want to thank you for joining me in my unboxing. I'm not going to unbox the frame because, you know, that probably won't be very exciting. When my husband and I put it together, I am definitely going to film that so you can see what is entailed in getting everything set up and ready to go. I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to get one of my quilts loaded onto this frame and use this beautiful new machine. Thank you, Grace, for giving me this opportunity. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. What it is, power cord, power cord, I can't say cord, power cord.